by, sorry, I am a math teacher. We recollect the numbers which you know. You can and write easily up to thousands. For example, and write this number in both figures and words. How to write this one? It is a 5-digit number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. You went up to thousands. That means the highest place here 10,000. In 10,000 place there is a 2. 20,000. 9 in 100 place. 9,000. 29,675. You can write both like this and in words also. You recall this one. Round up the numbers. For example, in our country, more than 135 crore. Generally, we said 135 crore, but it's not a perfect population number. The population in our state more than 5 crore. Correct value. We round off that number to nearest zero number. Nearest crore is 5. So generally we said the nearest zeros numbers, it is called round off or estimate. We use nearer, approximately, nearest. We use this type of word in round off. It is one of the numbers. 29,675. It is nearer to, it is between which zeros, which 10,000, it is less than 30,000 and greater than 20,000. Less than 30,000. We can round off this number 30,000. For example, simple, take a 2-digit number. What is that number? 87. 87 nearer to which zeros number? The zero number less than 87 is 80. It is very close to 90. So, we said 87 as a round of 90. For example, 281. Digit number. 3-digit zero number 100, 200, 300, 400 up to 900. It is nearer to 300. So 281 as a round off 300. But 200 is also there. The distance between these two, when we compare this distance to this distance, there are so many numbers between these two when we compare to this number. So it is very closer to this one. So we can round off 281 as 300. Okay. Next, already you learnt in the previous classes, that is S has a two type of values. One is a proper value, it is a fixed value for each digit. The fixed value of that digit is 1. If we put the digit 1 in different places, the value will change. If it is in tens place, this 1 in tens place, we say the place value of 1 equal to 10. If that 1 in hundredth place, the place value of that 1 equal to 100, like that. So, with the help of these place values, we can expand the number. Expanded form, we call it as expanded form. For example, let's take one of the two-digit number, 65. From right side it is unit place, it's a tens place. In unit place there is a 5, in tens place 6 is there. So, how can expand this number 6 in tens place, or in tens place there is 6 digit plus in ones place which digit? 5. So, we can write 65 as 60 plus 5. It is a form of 65. Let's take the one of the two-digit number. Place, which digit is there? 2. 100 place 2 digit plus in tens place 5, in unit place 6. So 200 plus 50 plus 6. Of 256 is 200 plus 50 plus 6. 0 digit in some places. See this example. $2,059 only. How to expand it? Tens, 100,000. In thousand place there is a 2 digit. So 1000 into 2 plus 100 into 0 plus 10 into 5 plus 1 into 9. 2000 plus 100 into 0 is nothing but 0 plus 50 plus 9. We can write like this: 2000 plus 50 plus 9. Only 3 places are there. There is a 100 place option there because there is a 0 digit in that place. Now I have one table. You must prepare that table as a homework or practice. See this table for practice. 5 numbers, 1 number done for you, expansion form and expanded form, both form. Expansion form, expanded form. You complete that table, remaining 4 sums. Now, new topic. Sixth class, we are going to learn large numbers. You learnt up to 1000. That means 10,000 also. Thousands means both thousands and 10,000 both are called thousands. What is the highest 5-digit number? If we take 9s in all places, 99,999. It is the highest 5-digit number. One to this number, we get how much? 1 plus 9, 10. 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 We get digit number. We get how many digits here? 6 digits. Now, so say the place values from right side. 1 place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. What's the new place? What's the highest place now? That is lakh. Lakh. There is 1 in lakh place. So it's 1 lakh. What is this number? 1 lakh. Is the smallest 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number. In each place, 9, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is also 6-digit number. Can you say the name of this number? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In lakh place, which digit is there? 9. 9 lakh, 99,999. Once again, what is this number? 9 lakh, 99,999. How many digits are there in this number? 6. Here also 6. It is the smallest 6-digit number named lakh. It is also 6-digit number 9,99,999. It is the highest, largest 6-digit number. What? If we add 1 to this one, can you guess? If we add 1 to 5-digit number, we got the 6-digit number that is called lakh. If we add 1 to this number, this 6-digit number, we get the new one. It is a 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Generally, we use the commas like that. 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It's a 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. Name of this number 10 lakh. Seven-digit number. If we take each place of that number, we get the largest 7-digit number. Like this. How many digits? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put the comma. 100, 1000, lakh. 99 lakh, 99,999. So it is the highest 7-digit number. 7-digit number. 99 lakh, 99,999. It is the smallest 7-digit number. It is the highest or largest 7-digit number. If we add 1 to this one, what happens? Digit number. It is 8-digit number. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Digit number. Crore. What is the next new place? Crore. Once you say one by one the place names, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. New place name? Crore. Which digit in crore place? 1. So it is called 1 crore. One crore. 8-digit number is called 1 crore. 8-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. And to this one, like the all, above all, we get number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-digit number. Place is called 10 crore. There is one in this place, so 10 crore. Number 10 crore. The crore is the highest place value here. 10 crore. Say the both crores. To another one. that values are given also. First, 10 crore, crore, 10 lakhs, 1 lakh, 10,000, 4,000, 100, tens, ones. This is some digits are given there. In 10 crores place 9, crores place 8, 10 lakhs place 7, lakhs place 6, 10,000 place 5, 1,000 place 4, 100 place 3, tens place 2, ones place 1. Can you say the name of this number? 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. Once again, 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. Like this, I am going to show you one of the table and you complete them with their place values. Work to you. Some numbers are given on the left side. You arrange them in place values as per the given place values and write the name of the number in words. Do this as a homework. Write the expanded forms of these large numbers. Expanded forms of these large numbers. For example, one of the examples from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As per their places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 27,000 lakh, 35,045. Yes, as per the place value, which digit in crore place? 1. In which place? Crore. 8-digit number. Next, 2 in 10 lakhs. 2 in which place? 10 lakhs place. It is a 10 lakhs place 7 lakhs. Plus 3 in which place? 10,000. It is a 10,000. Plus 5 in thousands place. Plus 0 in 100 place. Yes, we can't write in that one. 4 in tens place. Yes, right, that one 0 in 100 place. Plus 4 in tens place. Plus 5 in 1 place. Expanded form. 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 40 plus 5. Expanded form of a large number. Which number? It is in crores. 1 crore 27,000 27 lakh 35,045. Next, we have used the comma. Between that digits. Why? But we can read and write easily. We confuse it sometimes. It will take much time to read and write. For example, this number without comma, you must read place one from left right to left. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, like that. If we put the comma, it's a very easy to read the number. Generally, in our Indian number system, we use the comma, first comma, before 3 digits. That means before 100 place. Next comma, that means before 1000. Next comma, before 2 digits. That means 10 lakh. Next one is crore. How to read this one? 2 crore, 54 lakh, 7,251. It's very easy to read and write when we put the commas in numbers. Okay. Now we see now. Next exercise. That is 1.2 and 1.3. Now you show you the exercise 1.2 first. It is 1.2. Very easy to you. Numbers to the nearest tenth. Nearest tenth. 90. 415 is the nearest to 420. 20 is a 10 number. Nearest to 10th. 3,551. 51 nearer to which 10th number? 50. So we round off 3,951 as 3,950. Like that. Observe the remaining sum. Second sum, round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. Third one, round off the following numbers to nearest 1000. Next, fourth one, write the numbers in short form. But here given which form? Expanded form. Just you write the short form of it. It is the opposite of the expanded. Next, write the expanded form of the number. Okay, these are the problems in exercise 1.2. And see, and write the names of the numbers. And 6 numbers given on the left side. For you, first one 5 lakh. We can write inverse as a 5 lakh. Second sum also there, and do them as a practice work. Can you do it then? That's very good. You complete the remaining table. Do this. Give when the number of things counted would be more than 6 digits, like your village population, etc., etc. Next, see what is the smallest and greatest of all 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 6, 7, up to 8 digit number. For example, smallest 2 digit number is 10, greatest 99, 3 digits 100 and 909, like that. You write the remaining. It is one of the try these sums. You must do yourself. One more table. One, you complete the table and write in words also the name of the number. You put the digits in place values, below the place values, place names, and write the number in words. Now, the exercise 1.3. Before exercise 1 of the do this also there. Read these numbers and write in words also. All numbers are, put the comma, we can read easily. For example, see the first one, 5 crore, 6 lakh, 45,075. Write in words like that remaining ones. Now see exercise 1.3. First sum, write the numbers using comma. Just put the comma. Already I said how to put that comma. Next, second, write the numbers in words. Figures are there, write in words. Next, third sum, write the numbers in figures, in words given. Next, fourth one, write the numbers in expanded form. Next, write the following numbers in short form. That means, expanded form given. Short form is nothing but standard notation. Next, which is the greater among these two numbers? Just put the symbol, greater and less than. Next, write any 10 numbers with a digit 5 in crores, 2 in lakh, 1 in 10, in 10,000, 6 in tens, and 3 in ones place. Write any 10 numbers with digits. Now, I am going to explain one sum from each Roman from 6, 7 and 8. You observe these are 3 sums first. Numbers, we have to find which one is the greater. When we observe these 2, it is how many digit number? 7 digits. It is only 6 digits. So, if the number of digits is greater, which number is greater number of digits, that is the greatest number. It is a 7 digit number, it is a 6 digit number. So how to use this symbol between them? First write the big number. Number, it is 18 lakh 71,964. It is 4 lakh 67,604. So it is the first sum in 6th Roman. Next, I am going to explain one more sum in next Roman also. Here also given two numbers. Second sum in the 7th one. Two numbers, both are 7-digit numbers. It is 13 lakh 50,050. It is 13 lakh 49,712. First you compare the highest digit because both are equal digits. Both have equal digits. So the highest digit is 1, here is a 1. These ones are in 10 lakh. Next in lakh place, go to next place. Go to next place, lakh place. There is a 3. We can't define with the help of lakh place. Next go to 10,000 place. In how to use this symbol? In the previous class, I explained that the name of this symbol is less than. Name of this symbol is greater than. When we use this left hand symbol, we must write the first small number. Which is the smaller? This one. 13 lakh 49,785 is less than 13 lakh 50,050. Second sum in 7th Roman. In this exercise, there is a last one more sum is there. As first you observe that 8th one, it is one of the important. Write numbers. Ask 10 numbers. Write any 10 numbers. Only we must use 5 in crores, 2 in lakh, 1 in thousand, 6 in 10, 3 in 1. Just so we observe, here also 10. You prepare the table, a small table like this. Above, leave this per number. It's a 1, 10. Just draw 10 lines. Explain one or two numbers, है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, 5 in crore. Crore also there. Okay, we can extend the, yes, 10 lakh. Yes, a 5 digit in crore. Next, 2 in lakh. Next, 1 in 10,000. Next, 6 in 10. Next, 3 in 1. If we take, we can take other digits are zeros. Now it is called 5 crore, 2 lakh, 10,000, 5 crore, 2 lakh, 10,000, 61. Help of same digit. If we use a different digit in this place, let's take another number. 5 crore, 561. We can write a different type of numbers. Do you understand? Very good. So we finished with the exercise 1.3. In the next class, I will explain another topic.